What's the ideal partner for a designer? The comfortable interface you are familiar with. Powerful functions satisfying your diversified needs. Advanced tools accelerating the drafting process. Innovations helping improve design efficiency. And 3D functions which are nothing difficult, but accessible. You can also share ideas with your team anytime. And discuss with them more easily than ever. Collaboration can be inspiring and efficient. No matter where you are, your great ideas will never be missed.
Okay guys, very good job. Go ahead.
Okay guys, very good job. Go ahead.
It's excited to see those great ideas becoming reality. For different industries, different needs, it's always your reliable choice to create amazing things. ZWCAD. Create amazing things.